In the heart of Central Asia, amongst the majestic Tien Shan mountains, lies a modern democratic state. The country's population is over 6.5 million people, with an annual growth of 2%. The median age is 27 years old, one of the youngest compared to other countries in the region. Population living in urban and rural areas makes 40% and 60% respectively, and the literacy rate reaches almost 100%. All sectors of the country's economy demonstrate growth, led by agricultural production, light and textile industry, construction, and services. Together, these sectors involve more than 80% of the population. Over 1.2 million citizens are labor migrants. Kyrgyz nationals work in more than 20 countries around the world and are in demand in various sectors of economy due to high-level job skills and natural diligence. In 2007, the Kyrgyz Republic launched a Center of Employment of Citizens Abroad, which has been helping Kyrgyz citizens to find jobs in foreign countries, including Korea. Since then, the center has provided employment to over 5,000 Kyrgyz nationals.
I have just recently returned from Korea, where I worked on a farm growing flowers. Although I had grown flowers before, in my home country, I still learned a lot of new things in Korea. Now I'm back home, applying what I've learned. I have worked for a Korean white goods factory for 5 years. I really liked my experience. I made a lot of friends. When I returned home, I used the money earned to open a small shop in my village. And now I work for myself.
The center provides assistance to citizens seeking employment in the external labor market. We provide labor migration counseling to more than 30,000 citizens annually. One of the popular destinations is the Republic of Korea. We provide employment assistance, including pre-departure training, counseling and awareness raising, and also help to secure labor visas.
The center invites employers from around the world to engage talented and hardworking human capital from the Kyrgyz Republic. Learn more about the opportunities at www.migrant.kg.